launching Admira Fusion 5, and what's quite exciting is we have a patient that has some failing amalgam restorations and looking to use this newer version of the material on the patient to try and get a really nice functional and aesthetic result. My name's Ash Soneji, and I work at Queen Square Dental Clinic in Bristol. I'm really excited today to present to you a new generation of composite material, Admira Fusion 5. I've been using Admira Fusion for a while, but I'm super excited to have acquired the first box to be delivered to the UK, and I'm excited to find out about this material. So let's open it, let's check out what's inside. So I've been told that inside this box I have everything that I'm going to need. So the unique thing about this system is the cluster shade, which I'm intrigued to find out a bit more about. I can effectively achieve all 16 VITA shades with just 5 cluster shades. So I think that's going to be a real game changer for me in my practice, and certainly really improve my workflow. So opening up the box, we can see we've got the instructions. I'm going to spend a while sifting through those a bit later. And inside we've got quite neatly arranged the 5 different cluster shades, and all nicely summarized on this card. So what is pretty unique about this is that within these, the property of the ceramic Ormosol matrix is very unique to Voco, and it will actually allow to produce this amazing chameleon effect, which is something that I've been struggling to achieve with some of the products that I've seen on the market. So some of them talk about how this may be achievable with just one shade, but the science has shown us that that is actually impossible to do. And what Voco has ingeniously done is effectively produce these cluster shades to allow us to give us this whole range of shade, while still having all the great properties and all the research that's been developed for years. So it's actually an improvement on existing product, and I'm really excited to use it on a case which I hope you enjoy and use. So a few things that have also changed about this is the curing time. I've noticed is 10 seconds. And it's still got all the great added properties of the ceramic resin matrix, as well as very low shrinkage, one of the lowest on the market. And these are things that can help with reduced marginal leakage. The other thing I've noticed is it talks about how it's got very low absorption of water, and as a result the longevity that this will provide with restorations with regards to stain, I think is something I'm really unique about this, and that's essentially what we want to provide for our patients, is something that's going to be, one, biocompatible, and the other thing is something that's going to provide longevity. So that is something that Admira Fusion has been doing for years, but now we actually have something that is going to be highly aesthetic and easy to use, and looking forward to trying it on this case shortly. Great, so yeah, I think I just wanted to round everything off and just give you my final verdict on the product. I was super impressed. It's definitely going to be part of my armamentarium moving forward. I thought it was very kind of efficient, very sculptable, highly aesthetic. That completely surpassed my expectations on that. And the patient loved it. All the data that we have on this product, as well as the biocompatibility side, I think it was very easy to convince the patient to have this product in his mouth. So all round, happy dentist, happy patient, and happiness. So yeah, delighted with how it today went.